Start a new game. Game 2 with the Bomb Cloud opening, playing someone from Brazil. Let's go with e4. Let's take, and then I will also go with e2. He already pre-moved that move. He would never expect a move something like this. Let's go here. Develop the bishop. Push. Attack it. Then I will go for queen d7, right? Ah no, he goes there. Move here. If I take, he takes, I come back. And then what happens? I can go there and then my king is actually safe. Isn't it? Also, I'm down again on the clock. Play fast, Abbas. Oh, bishop there. Play Bomb Cloud against me? Never. Never, just never. Also, today I beat a 2000 rated player. I will make a YouTube video out of that too. Let's go there. Come on, play fast. I'm too slow. I can't let the Bomb Cloud opening down. It is a legendary opening. Let's come back. And my king is actually safe now. I can also push. So I should have went for rook f1. And he pushes too. I mean, moving the rook again, which is bad. I'm not that big of a narcissist. What? Goes there. I will take. Wasn't that just a free pawn? He can take. And then, oh no, I can still take back with the bishop. Because if I take with this, he takes there and then wins the bishop. Damn, I really panicked there. Okay, if he takes, I just take back. Yeah, then the rook is still attacked, so he can't take my pawn. And that thing is attacked. Okay, goes there. Oh wait, I can still go there, right? It's still down like 50 seconds on the clock. Take there first, actually. Not a streak. I should have taken there first. No way. No way. Okay, still not that bad. He takes there though, but what? Gives that up, so it is just a drawish position now. Go here. Go there, attack the bishop. Let's go with bishop c4 actually, attack the pawns. And then I will go for g3 so that all the pawns are actually in the dark square. And I'm again down on the clock. How many times do I have to lose a game due to being down on the clock? Oh, there, trade. He goes there, I can just, take. But if it, okay, let's take. If it takes, I just take there first and then I win a pawn. What? There we go. My opponent did blunder. Okay, he can't come forward, by the way. He could have. 24 seconds. Why am I so slow? Be fast, bro. Too slow. Wait, now I win. Now I win. Now I go. Okay. Not losing. I go there. Has to go there. Push. 14.6 seconds. Can I? This is winning or what? I don't know. There. Oppose the king. Push. He goes there, then I go there. Oh wait, he can go there though. Wait, then I push because this is not actually a stalemate. Let's go. Let's go. If it pushes, I push. Because I will, if I promote, it will be with check. And then I win. Let's go. This is checkmate. So we win.